Hey y'all, in today's video, I am going to see if I can recreate the very popular Moon X Cosmetics product, Rose Galore. I've never done this before, but it shouldn't be too hard, right? So if you are interested to see how this goes, keep watching. So I'm hoping that this is relatively easy. I mean, when I look at their ingredients listed on the bottle, it isn't anything that's standing out to me that's surprising. So what I did is just purchase all the ingredients that they say that they actually use. And then I guess guesstimated to the best of my ability of what the formula would look like. So now I'm showing you guys all of the products that I will be using to create the Rose Galore oil. And if you guys have never heard of Moon Cosmetics, I don't know where you've been, but they are a very popular skincare company. This is a Black-owned brand, and basically you can't, like, literally every time this products come, back in stock, they are literally sold out within minutes. So I just thought that I should just see if I could just make it myself, because every time I try to buy it, I can never get it. So let's just see what we can do. I will put in the description the formula that I use. By no means, let me let you guys know, this is not their formula. Like, this is my guess at what the formula could possibly be based off of the key index, or what is it called? No, it's definitely called N-key. My bad, y'all. N-key. And I purchased 12 glass bottles, so the calculations will be to basically fill those bottles up if I did my formulation correctly. But like I said, I will go ahead and put the formulation or my formulation in the description, as well as the bottles and everything that I purchased to make the Rose Galore oil. All of that will be in the description. So far we've used 4 ingredients. Now we're moving to the 5th ingredient, which is the Rosehip Oil. And I'm actually going to use that entire bottle because that bottle is 1 fluid ounces. And for my formulation or my calculations, I needed 0.96 ounces, sorry. And then after that, we're going to go in with the last ingredient, which is the vitamin E oil. And I'm only going to use 0.24 ounces for that. And then it's going to be time to mix and blend up these oils very well. So I did that for a while to make sure they were well blended. And then from there, it's going to be actually time for me to add the rose petals. So this part was fun, but then it also was a little difficult because I could only find one glove, but you guys are going to see. And also what I realized is that I probably should have weighed the bottles with the roses in them so that each bottle could have the same amount of roses in each one of them. I hope I'm making sense, but I didn't do that. I didn't think about it until I got completely finished, because I've never done anything like this before. But I didn't think about it until I got completely finished and realized that some bottles had more roses than others. And obviously, like the bottle that I use, like that one has a lot of roses because it's really aesthetically pleasing, like to see all the roses in there floating around and infusing. I really like that, but I did not factor in that the more roses you add into these bottles, unfortunately, that's going to take up some of your oil space. So y'all will see at the very end that I actually had a little bit of oil left over. So that's just something to keep in mind. But again, this is my first time trying this out, so I just know for next time, and like I have a lot of bottles, so it will be a while before I run out. I don't know. I was thinking about maybe you don't want to give away and giving some of them away, or I don't know, maybe selling them. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but I personally love the Rose Galore oil from Moon X Cosmetics, and the bottle that I had was a really small bottle, but the bottles that I purchased that I'm making right now, those are 2-ounce bottles, and the bottle that I purchased from Rose, what is it called? Oh, Moon X Cosmetics, that is a 1/2 ounce. So it's a huge difference. So I'll have that oil for a long time. So y'all, I gotta get a little fancy or a little creative, I feel like, because I realized like I was spilling rose petals everywhere, and this was a lot easier to just put the rose petals in my hand and then kind of like scoop them into the glass jar. It just seemed like it was easier, but comment and let me know if you've ever done anything like this and what would be an easier way if you have tried it. But that's just the way that I went, and it helped me get through the rest of the bottles pretty easily, I think. So here we have all of the bottles completed, all 12 of them. And I had a lot of fun doing this. It was new to, kind of do a formulation. So that was really exciting. Comment and let me know if you would ever be interested in doing anything like this, or if you guys have any other products that you would like me to try to make. Because I just had a lot of fun. Y'all know I love to DIY. So this is a step up from DIYing. And then I want to show you guys what I had left over. So remember I told you that I probably put too many rose petals in some of the bottles because I had a little bit of oil left over. So my formulation was almost completely accurate except for me adding too many rose petals. And then I want to show you the difference of the real Rose Galore from Moon X Cosmetics, the size, and then my bottle. So the Rose Galore from Moon X Cosmetics, that little bottle cost me $18, right? That thing is so expensive. So you can just see I basically tripled the amount of product that I have. So I feel like I saved myself a lot of money just making it myself. And then I have bottles to like give away. I think that would be a great gift if you decided to make something like this. A great birthday gift for, a friend or family, or, Christmas gifts. Overall, I just think, if you want to just add yourself a label, I didn't think about that till after the fact, but I'm not like selling or anything, but just get you some labels, something really cute. And yeah, and so you just see me applying the oil to my face. I've missed it so much because I haven't had any oil in months. So it's really, really soothing to my skin, and my skin loves it. If you are interested in trying the real Moon X Cosmetics oil, good luck, because like I said, it's always out of stock. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I had fun making this. If you guys thought I did a good job with my first formulation, even though this was super easy to do, make sure you guys do leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, share this with someone, and let me know if you are interested in me doing more videos like this. As always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one. Bye.